The Gold Facial Kit. The Gold Facial Kit is a luxurious 24 karat gold certified facial treatment that delivers an instant glow and radiance. It features a 4-step process that you can easily use at home. Step 1, Scrub. Step 2, Gel. Step 3, Cream. Step 4, Mask. Here's how to use it. Start by wearing a hairband to keep your hair out of the way. Now, take a small amount of gold scrub, apply it to your face, and massage gently for a few minutes to exfoliate. Use a blackhead removing tool to gently extract any blackheads and whiteheads. Once done, spray a toner to refresh and balance your skin. Then, take a small amount of cold gel and massage it into your face for about 10 minutes until it fully absorbs. Next, apply a small amount of cold cream and massage for 10 minutes. For enhanced results, you can use a galvanic machine. Apply the face mask and leave it on until it dries. Once dry, gently wipe it off with a wet cotton pad.